Now let's see how to install the fit. We needed to place the fit with the holes in front of you. This is the front of the machine, and we need 4 bolts M6 by 20, a screwdriver M10, and the nut already placed with the glue in their position, 66 millimeters distance between the 2 holes, 1 and 2, and 66 from here to here. Rosso, partito. Okay, so with these holes in front, we need to first of all engage one of the 2 on the right by hand, then the other one in the lower side, then the upper one, and then the last on the back. Now with the tools you can screw up always in diagonal. If you have a automatic screwdriver, you can fix. Thank you. Okay, now we have to install the crossbar. Okay, so with this drawing we turn with this one visible, and we align over there and over there. We need to slide in the screw like that. Okay, then inside the holes, then inside the holes over there. Okay, we slide in the screw, and then with the nut on the bottom, and then with the wrench we can fix the nut over there. Okay, now we install the tray. We close by hands here. We fit inside the slot. Here there are 2 holes, 1 and 2. So you have to fit in 1 and 2, and then slide in. In a moment. Okay, when you have the 2 inside the holes, you just have to in and out to make the assembly.